Hello. Dwi'n uchel, dwi'n gwybod dwi'n uchel. Hello, pwy next in the chat. Streamlabs and shit. Ditha fi. Hwna. Ooh, that. Dude. Ideal. Diolch i si fel sheep. Lot o diwch yn yma ddys. Un efo. Iawn. Let's get to it. Lot o... Lot i wneud heddiw. Lle dwi'n wneud o? So, parhau efo Metal Gear Solid heddiw. Metal Gear Solid 1, obviously. Read the mission log. Yeah. To stop the terrorist nuclear attack, one must deactivate the detonation code or destroy Metal Gear itself. Snake and Meryl head for the communications tower. The only way is the underground maintenance base. However, on their way through the underground passage, Sniper Wolf fires at Meryl, acquiring the PSG-1. Snake beats Wolf. However, Meryl is no longer there. Snake heads north to get clues to find Meryl. Scary stuff. Scary stuff. Yo. Dwi di wneud executive decision fyddai'n cheatio yn yr torture scene sydd wedi fyny. Spoiler, mae'na torture scene dod i fyny. So dwi wedi mapio turbo button. So cool! So cool! Ta beth, dwi'm yn gwybod os di'r byncyn... Wel, dyn eisiau safio Meryl, does? Really, oes. Dyn eisiau canon ending. Os dwi'n mynd i chwarae bob un... Metal Gear Solid known to man. Heblaw am yr un newydd na. Fyddai angen safio Meryl, so... Dwi'n mynd cofio sy'n single press. Twe, go'n i weld. FYI, dwi gyda fi hanner teimlad fydd yr Total Legit PS1 upskit thing fi yn hollol ffwcio y graphics. Kind of hwyl. Socom. Ia, Meryl ydy'r canon cos mi yn ffordd. Hefyd, oh my god, bydd hyn. Hyn de ydy i pobl sy'n cymryd nodiadau yn y chat. Environmental storytelling di'r gwaed ma. Oh my god. Nes i ennill y frwydr bydd Sniper Wolf. Ond mae'n y gwaed yn mynd... Sbio? Environmental storytelling dwi'n na. Fydd y test ar diwedd. Yn hynna. Don't move!
It's hard to miss when you're this close. Toss your weapon over here. Slowly. You were a fool to come back here. Stupid man.
Stupid man.
A lady sniper, huh?
Didn't you know that 2/3 of the world's greatest assassins are women? Do you want to die now? Or after your female friend? Which will it be?
I'll die after I kill you.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Well, at least you've got spirit.
What a line.
I am Sniper Wolf. And I always kill what I aim at.
Ti ddim yn wir ddo, cos dwi'n ei weini lle mewn sniper battle.
You're my
No.
special prey. Got it? Oh, I've left my mark on you. I won't forget it. Until I kill you. You're all I think about.
She talks a big game, ond she eitha...
Take him away.
She ennill da.
Don't kill me yet. I'm alive. Leave it to me. I want no more accidents like that.
Dwi'n... Cos dwi'n wimp, dwi'n neud beth yma. Dwi'n neud.
This is my target. Mine.
Don't judge me.
Can you hear me, Solid Snake?
Oh shit.
There definitely is a resemblance, don't you think, little brother? Or should I say, big brother? I'm not sure. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You and I are both the last surviving sons of Big Boss.
Cofiwch hynna. Cofiwch hynna. Cofiwch
It's me.
uniol un o'r ddweud.
Really? Then what? Oof, those idiots! All right, Raven. I'll be right there. They're not responding to our demands. We launched the first one in 10 hours as planned.
Damn Americans.
Looks like you read them wrong.
Something's funny. Normally the Americans are the first ones to the negotiating table. They must think they've got something up their sleeves.
So it's come down to it, has it? We're going to launch that nuke and ride it all the way into history.
I've got to take care of some launch preparations. You're in charge here, Ocelot.
What about you?
Hey,
Wanna
het
stay
gaat.
for the show?
Ia, dwi'n meddwl edrych yn well blurry heddiw.
It's time to
Dwi'n
feed.
weird, mae'n edrych yn well ar y stream, gyda fi stream edrych yma. Na mae da na fi fyma, so na'n cwyno.
So you prefer your wolves to my show, huh?
Ocelot, don't screw up like you did with the chief.
Yes, I know. That was an accident. I didn't think a pencil pusher like him would be so tough.
Well, his mental defenses were reinforced by hypnotherapy.
Boss, what about that ninja?
He's killed 12 men. Whoever he is, he's some kind of lunatic.
Bastard took my hand. How could he have gotten in here?
Perhaps there's a spy among us. Mantis is dead. We've also got to find out what killed Baker, an octopus. We're short-handed,
Yeah,
so make this little
ma
torture
con
show of yours as short as possible.
Torture? This is an interrogation.
As you wish. See you later, brother.
Your woman is still in this world.
Meryl.
Catch you later.
Handsome.
Once she picks a target, she doesn't think about anything else. Sometimes she even falls in love with them before she kills them. Finally, just the two of us. How are you feeling?
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and
Glad to
I.
hear that. This is some bed, all right. I'm about to show you some of its nicer features.
Where are my things?
Oh, don't worry. They're all there. Washington was taking quite a chance sending you here. Someone must have had a lot of faith in your skill, huh, carrier boy?
So, Metal Gear's armed with a new type of nuclear warhead, huh?
Why don't you go ask Campbell for the full story?
Be?
The Colonel.
By the
Fair.
way, you got an optical disc from President Baker, didn't you?
What if I did?
Is that the only disc? There's no other data?
What do you mean?
There's no copy? If not, that's fine.
Is Meryl okay?
She's not dead yet. Wolf must have been feeling generous. But if you want her to stay that way, you better start answering my questions right now. You were holding one card key. Where are the other two? What's the trick behind that key?
Trick?
That weasel of a president said there's some kind of trick to using the key.
Hell if I know.
O, ideal, so ti di cael rhi iawn. Na, stwff reit da yn y Thomas Swift.
We're going to play a game, Snake.
Cymryd ti di cael y
We'll
Metal
find out
Slug
what kind of man
special
you
ar hwnna.
really are. When the pain becomes too great to bear, just give up and your suffering will end. But if you do, the girl's life is mine.
Iawn. Dwi'n mynd i cheatio ta, sorry.
Press the circle button repeatedly to regain your strength. When you've had enough, press the select button to submit. When your life reaches 0, the game is over.
game
There
is
are
over.
no continues, my friend.
Iawn, so fe ma,
Don't even think about using auto fire, or I'll know. I'm going to run a high voltage electric
weird.
current through your body.
autofire dwi'n
If
misio.
it's just for a short time, it won't kill you.
So i pobl sy'n heb di chwarae ar gêm o blaen,
You're
os
a
dwi'n
tough
ffeilio
guy,
hwn
Snake.
ar ei gyfer,
But I've got
a
some
Meryl o
bad
Meryl,
news for you. You're no POW.
so mae'n ddau ending.
You're a hostage. There's no Geneva Convention. No one is coming to save you. Starting to feel a little scared. Good. You should be. Okay. Let's get started. Okay, here we go.
Dwi'n hollol cheatio by the way, mae gen i autofire
How did
ar
you
etra.
like that? Shall we go again? Had enough yet?
Dwi'n proud iawn o hyn gyda llaw,
We're not finished yet.
ond ie, dwi'n iwsio autofire. Cofiwch o hwn yn reiddiol, oedd o'n blinkin anodd de. Really anodd.
You still okay? Want me to go on? Can you take one more?
Yes. Because I'm cheating.
You're a strong man. Well, that's enough for now, I think. You're the boss's brother, all right. Your brother, he's an amazing man.
Ie, fel o'n i
Who else
fydd...
could shoot down two F-16s with
Dwi'n
a
mynd tystyn
high
hyn, dwi'n mynd tystyn 31-year-old Emrys
project
i
was
gallu
not a
neud hwnna
total
ar
failure.
stream.
He is the one man who could make my dream into a reality.
Iawn. Stad o lyn, mae'n a lot o plots, wan. Lot o codec a lot o plots.
Looks like I got a roommate. The DARPA chief? Whew. What a stench.
Ond newi farm yna ddo? Pan mae'n stench yna fo? Helo?
Damn, I caught a cold. That witch, she took my clothes.
I need some answers.
Snake, are you okay?
I've been better.
How's Meryl?
They've got her.
Damn. Snake, the government has decided not to give in to their demands. We're trying to buy some more time.
Come on, Colonel. Why don't you stop playing dumb? I'm sorry about Meryl, but I want the lies to end now.
What are you talking about?
Metal Gear was designed to launch a new type of nuclear warhead, wasn't it? You knew it all along, didn't you? Why did you try to hide it?
I'm sorry.
Can't tell the grunts, huh? You've changed a lot. Metal Gear, secret advanced nuclear weapons research. Does the White House know about this? How deep does it go?
As far as I know, as of yesterday, the president had not been briefed about the Rex project.
Need-to-know basis, is that the idea?
These are sensitive times. Even subcritical nuclear tests are causing quite a stir.
Plausible deniability, huh?
Yes. And tomorrow, the president and his Russian counterpart are scheduled to sign the START 3 Accord.
I get it. That's the reason for the deadline.
That's right, Snake. And that's why we can't let this terrorist attack go public.
We still haven't even ratified START 2 or dealt with the issue of TMDs. This has to do with the president's reputation and America's place as the dominant superpower.
So patriotism is your excuse for circumventing the Constitution?
Please, Snake, just stop them.
Why should I?
Because you're the only one who can.
Wow.
In that case, tell me the truth about this new type of nuclear
80s
warhead.
I told you
action
before.
movie
I don't know
quotes.
the details.
I don't believe you. If the situation is so serious, why don't you give in to their demands? Let them have Big Boss's remains.
You see...
Or is there some reason that you can't do that? Something you haven't told me about?
Publicly, the president has been very vocal in his opposition to eugenics experiments. We don't want the existence of the Genome Army to go public.
And that's the only reason? Huh. Hell with you.
I'm sorry.
The corpse of the DARPA chief is lying right here next to me.
Oh man.
But it's strange. He looks and smells like he's been dead for days. All his blood's been drained out too.
Drained?
Maybe to slow down decomposition?
I have no idea.
But the chief only died a few hours ago, right?
Right, but he's already started to decompose.
What could it all be about?
Something in his blood that they wanted?
I doubt it. Just the nanomachines in the transmitter.
Did the chief tell them his detonation code?
I'm afraid so. It looks like they've got both codes and are nearly ready to launch.
Damn. Is there any way to prevent it?
It seems that there's some type of emergency override device that can cancel out the detonation code. It's a countermeasure that Arms Tech installed secretly. You have to unlock it with 3 special card keys.
And where are those keys?
I've got one of them. I don't know where the other 2 are. Besides, I'm locked up here.
We've got no choice. Forget about the keys. Your top priority now is to destroy Metal Gear itself. I'm sorry to have to lay it all in your lap, but you're all I've got. Bust out of there and get to the communications tower. Also...
What?
I know it's asking a lot.
Meryl, right?
Yeah,
I'll save her.
thanks.
Tylko ja muszę na Octagon.
Otacon, are you still okay?
Yeah, thanks to the stealth camouflage, that is.
I have a favor
Just
to
door
ask.
stealth camouflage
I need
wie.
your help.
Što
I
ga
was
vi?
wondering when you'd ask. What should I do?
I've been captured. I'm
Seriously.
locked up here in this cell.
What cell?
There's a big torture machine nearby.
Okay, I know it. It's close. I'll be there right away.
Thanks.
Doe naar het telefoon, ja.
Normally, when a soldier is taken prisoner, he should only give up the big 4. That's name, rank, serial number, and date of birth. But you're not any old soldier, Snake. I don't want you to tell them anything. Fortunately, you're strong enough to resist. Don't say anything to tease or anger the person torturing you. If you make him mad, it'll be that much worse for you. You'll need to save your strength.
Snake, are you okay? I feel so scared for you. It must be horrible.
I've been through a lot worse, believe me.
Wow, you really are a hero. It's a good thing the codec is connected directly to your inner ear. You can contact us anytime. It's always nice to hear that you're all right. Why don't you contact the Colonel? If anyone can think of a way out, it's him.
Fuck your Colonel. Dömer någon där story. Total legit.
Please, Nick, don't give up.
Gå nära. Natasha.
Just because you are locked up does not mean there is no chance of escape. Keep your eyes and ears open, and when you see a chance, take it.
Deep thoughts. Ja, så nu kommer jag använda dippin färd. Allan och hon.
Shut up in there, will ya? Shut up in there, will ya? Shut up in there, will ya? Shut up in there, will ya?
Wel, mae'n un o'r sos coch a mae'n un lle mae'n cyber ninja yn achub chdi. Os cofio ond, mae'n codeg yn number specific yn eitha ninja yn syth at chdi. A llall ydi y tydyn ydi ciliad o dan y gwelit mae'n wedi gachu, ie? Sorry, dim cachu, pŵ dwi'n tynnud.
Snake, it's showtime. Ocelot wants you.
O'n i'n meddwl o'n mynd i toilet a chdi'n gallu cuddio dan gwely. Ie, so mae'n neud yn byd am aegis yn nôl i fama. Ie.
Okay, I'll tell you once more. Press the circle button repeatedly to regain your strength. When you've had enough, press the select button to submit.
Never!
When your life reaches 0, the game is over. There are no continues, my friend. I fought wars in Afghanistan, Mozambique, Eritrea, and Chad. Among the Mujahideen guerrillas, I was known and feared as Shalashaska. I was trained by the Russian GRU.
Cofiwch hwnna ar gyfer Metal Gear Solid 5.
Slugs. To me, this isn't torture. It's a sport.
You're all just a bunch of sadists.
Dach chi'n cael sos coch gyn Octagon.
Uniform fools. Well, shall we begin? Okay, here we go.
Mae yna codec number i chi ffonio fyd i cael y ninja i helpu chdi.
How did you like that? Shall we go again?
Yes. Dwi'n mor dda yn y torture scene ma. Sbio, mae'n dda dwi'n. Fucking dwi'n dda.
Had enough yet? We're not finished yet. You still okay? Want me to go on? Can you take one more?
Dwi'n hyd yn oed gofyn cwestiynau i fi. Dwi'n meddwl point o torture ydy dda eisiau atebion. Dwi'n bod yn gofyn mynd cwestiwn i fi. Bod ddim mwy amdani hun na i fi. Sy'n mynd yn sens.
You're a strong man.
Thank you.
Well, that's enough for now, I think.
Yes.
We live in a sad age. Imperialism, totalitarianism, perestroika. 20th century
Covidism.
Russia has had its share of problems.
Brexit,
But at least they had an
Brexitism.
ideology. Russia today has nothing.
They're struggling between freedom and order, and with that struggle, a new spirit of nationalism has been born.
The boss has a close friend high up in the Russian government. He's currently the head of Spetsnaz. He's agreed to purchase this new nuclear weapons system. The Hind was just a down payment.
So you're in this for money?
I don't need money. I want Russia to be reborn, to lead a brave new world order.
Na, mae'r boi yma'n siarad amdan yn Metal Gear Solid 2. Chyfod G, dwi'n cofio'n iawn. So, plot point arall i chi reid yn eich notes. Tad Olga, neu Taid Sunny. Bydd y cymeriadau yma'n yn amlwg. Sut mae hwn yn mynd i'r toilet?
You okay, Snake?
Yeah. Nothing new to report.
Snake, is there anything I can do?
Fuck off.
Yeah.
Bitch, we're gonna...
My arm hurts.
Poor Snake. I'll increase the level of painkillers in your blood.
Okay, but you can leave out the Benzedrine. That stuff makes me too frisky.
I guess you're not feeling too bad after all.
Naomi, please talk to me. Say something to take my mind off the pain.
What can I say?
Anything.
I'm not a very good talker.
Please. Tell me about yourself.
Myself? That's a tough one.
Any family?
That's not a happy topic for me.
I don't have any family. No. Wait. There was a man who said he was my father.
Where is he?
Dead.
Dead.
By my own hand.
Big Boss.
What? Big Boss? I had no idea.
There was no way you could. It happened in Zanzibar 6 years ago. Only Snake and I know the real truth of what happened there.
A fi,
So,
cos dwi'n chwarae Metal
is it
Gear
true?
2, Revenge of
Was Big
Snake.
Boss really your father?
That's what he said. That's all I know.
And you were able to kill him? Knowing that?
Yep.
How?
Cos oedd o'n fucking evil, oedd efo nuclear weapons.
Some people just need killing.
Y bint
That's
fydd yn.
patricide.
Yep. That's the trauma that Mantis was talking about. The one we share in common.
Is that why you left Foxhound?
Let's just say that I needed to be alone for a while, and Alaska was the perfect place.
Snake.
Crack
didn't have a real
capital of the
family
world,
either.
Alaska.
Just a big brother who put me through school.
Neu
We weren't
heroin.
even blood
Crack
related,
neu
and he
heroin,
was
dwi'n
much
cofio
older
pa
than
un.
me.
Ond maen nhw'n cymryd
Where
lot
is
o'n
he?
un nhw.
He's dead.
I'm sorry.
Snake, is there a woman in your life?
After you've been through as many wars as me, it's hard to trust anyone.
Friends?
Roy Campbell.
You're still calling me friend?
Beggars can't be choosers.
No. There was another. Frank Yeager.
What?
Big Boss's most trusted lieutenant, and the only member of Foxhound ever to receive the code name Fox. Gray Fox.
I learned a lot from him.
But didn't you try to kill each other?
It's true. We did, in Zanzibar. But it was nothing personal. We were just professionals on opposite sides, that's all.
And you still call yourself friends?
Hard to believe. War is no reason to end a friendship.
That's insane.
I first met him on the battlefield. He was being held a prisoner of Outer Heaven, but he didn't look like a prisoner to me. He was always so cool and precise. I was still green, and he showed me the ropes.
You knew him well?
No. We never talked about our personal lives.
Good
Sort of an
friends,
unwritten
good
rule.
friends.
The next time I saw him on the battlefield, we were enemies. We were fighting barehanded in a minefield. I know it sounds strange to most
Metal Gear
people,
2.
but we were just two soldiers doing our jobs. It's like a sport.
Men and their games. You're like wild animals.
You're right. We are animals.
So if you were friends, then how do you explain the ninjas' behavior?
I don't know.
It's your genes. They make you predisposed towards violence.
You really like talking about genes, Naomi. Why did you get into genetic research anyway?
I never knew who my parents were, or even what they looked like. I guess I got into genetics because I wanted to figure out why I am the way I am.
So you studied about DNA?
Yeah. I thought if I studied my genetic structure, I'd find out who I really was. I thought that by analyzing a person's genetic information, I could retrieve the blank spots in that person's memory.
Dodgy genomes.
Memory is stored in DNA?
We're not sure, but we know that a person's genetic fate is determined just by the sequence of the 4 bases in their DNA.
So what about my fate? You know my DNA sequence, don't you?
Your fate? I'm sorry, I have no idea.
Find my past, Naomi.
You're a scientist, not a fortune teller.
Unig beth yna neud yn mynd i chifty. So basically, bit yma o fama maen mae Metal Gear Solid yn Metal Gear Solid. Mae'r holl jokes am Metal Gear Solid a felly yr holl fatha y stereotype o fama ymlaen. Mae'r plot o hyn ymlaen yn mynd yn bunky nuts. So, hold on to your horses.
Otacon.
I'm headed your way now. Can't you just relax?
I am relaxed. I just don't know how to kill time here.
Okay, I'll be there as soon as I can. Hey, I'm here.
Where?
It's me.
Otacon.
Wow, they even captured you.
Hurry, get me out of here.
Let me go. That hurts.
Hurry up.
Is that how you ask a guy a favor? Let me go. Jeez, it's like an animal's cage. Oh, what a smell.
Because of him.
Yeah, it's the Derpa Chief.
You don't hurry up and get me out of here, I'll be laying next to him.
Those bastards. This lock won't open with a security card. You need a key like the soldiers carry.
So what are you doing here then?
I thought you might be hungry. If you need more food, I can bring some more later. Also, I got you this level 6 card. It'll get you out of that torture room. Here, take this too.
What's this?
It's a handkerchief. I got it from Sniper Wolf.
Why?
I don't know why, but she's nice to me.
Sounds like Stockholm Syndrome to me.
I was taking care of the
Good
dogs.
one, Snake. Good
After
one.
the terrorists took over, they were planning to shoot all the dogs. But Sniper Wolf stopped them. She even let me feed them when I asked. She likes dogs. She must be a good person. Please don't hurt her.
Wake up, you
Be
idiot.
logic,
She's the
innit?
one who shot Meryl.
Well, that's all I can do.
They're planning to launch a nuke. I've got to stop them.
Then you have to get past the communications tower.
First, you have to get me out of here.
Come on, I'm trying my best.
That guard's got the key. You'll have to take him out.
Give me a break. I'm no soldier. I can't take anybody out.
You have to.
I'll be killed. Oh, jeez. He's coming back. See you later.
Wait.
Cachwr. Iawn. So mae gynnu fi sos coch. Dwi'n cofio iawn, ti'n gyrru sos coch ar lawr. Handkerchief, ond dwi'n treo hwn gyntaf fan. Octagon. Cachwr.
Huh? He's gone!
So yn cofio
Snake, it's showtime. Ocelot wants you.
Si'n fler yma. Si'n fler yma.
Okay, I'll tell you once more. Press the circle button repeatedly to regain your strength. When you've had enough, press the select button to submit. When your life reaches 0, the game is over. There are no continues, my friend.
Beth för att torture room.
Okay, here we go.
Fuck you more där. Pushar bort så vitt jag.
How did you like that? Shall we go again?
Yes.
Had enough yet? We're not finished yet. You still okay? Want me to go on?
The points.
Can you take one more?
Points torture yma.
You're a strong man. Well, that's enough for now.
Ja, beth för en numper.
You're a soldier. You should understand. You and I can't continue to live in a world like this. We need tension, conflict. The world today has become too soft. We are living in an age where true feelings are suppressed. So we're going to shake things up a bit. We'll create a world dripping with tension. A world filled with greed and suspicion, bravery and cowardice. You want the same thing that we do. Liquid Snake is the one. He is an incredible man. He is the man who can really make it happen.
Maar Ninja Invention stafell ti os yw ffwcio fyny ti dwi'n neud, so... Looking good. Go iawn. One use. Na fo.
Otacon? So you're here to get me out. The ninja?
Hey!
Oh yeah, back on it.
You caught Snake?
Yeah, I'm gonna be number 6. Keycard. So mae gen fi dipyn o ddrysa eisiau ni weld rwan. Dim yn cofio beth sydd yma i gyd. So... So basically, dwi'n nôl leads yn cychwyn hwn. Ydych chi'n cofio lle dwi? Yn dod i fynd... Ww, okay. Oh my god. Shit, there's... Dwi'n cofio pari a hein. Oh my god. So bomb oedd hwnna. Dwi'n cofio, mae'n rhoi bomb yna fo.
That was a close one, Snake.
Ocelot, you'll pay for that.
Bron nhw'n gwybod yn mynd i... Dwi'n cofio pethau gwell am yna. Lle ddim. Okay, no, it's fully stocked terug in op het. Zit. One for two speedwind Voor me de verhuisde wind? Nee, oké. Ska vi absolut sedimenta som så minefield. Så blir min för. Rhaid fi gyfadda, hein yw'r bit o'r gêm dwi'n hofio. Bit boring yma. Dwi'n dweud boring, ddim mor hwyl a... The warhead to heliport. Stop looking at me. O'n i ddim yn gwybod amdan yr...
Is this all there is to load? The nuclear warhead storage, huh?
O'n i ddim yn gwybod am y thing cardboard box ma, pan ni'n chwarae at y gynta. God, mae'n handi. Ti'n safio peth yna? Ti'n safio? Maybe not. O, allan. Chaff grenade. B1. Don't judge me. Don't kink shame me. Number 6. Roll aan mama. Tro beth dwi'n hofio beth. O, paid ydw gwrdd yn ôl. Paid ydw gwrdd yn ôl. Dwi'n angen nhw. Dwi'n angen nhw. O na, fan ma. Oce. Beth sy'n frustrating am chwarae hwn am y tro gynta ers blynyddoedd a'r gêm, ti'n absolutely caru am y rhesymau anghywir ydy'r y thing na lle ti'n dda dwi'n meddwl come on Şunu falan alsam. Ama One, 4, 3. Power through. Body armor, hwnna oedd o. Hwn de ydy'r thing ti bod o'n hofio amdan a ti angen. That's very cool. Yn y bit oedd i fyny yn yr communication tower lle mae hwn yn lifesaver. O'n i'n gwybod. O'n i'n cofio, o'n i'n rôl am bren fi. Dwi'n cofio'n iawn. Scary. So gynna, beautiful face, yeah. Face of an angel. So, os dwi'n cofio'n iawn rhan de, yn lle defnyddio'r box of a piss. So, yn y piss, yna wolf piss o hwn. Dwi'n meddwl lle iwsio handkerchief yn lle. A ddylio hein rhan ddim. Na fo. Cos dwi'n oglwyo fatha Sniper Wolf wan. Sure, gonna be FAMAS da. SG. Right there. Os dwi'n cofio'n iawn de, hwn ydy'r bit mwyaf frustrating wan. Ddo fi di safio. Oh my god. Mae'n nuts ydy de, mae Solid Snake di disgwyl yn cariad efo Meryl a ni'n liter fi o'n 3/4 awr.
I can still help. I want to help you.
Quiet down. Save your strength.
I was a fool. I wanted to be a soldier. But war is ugly. There's nothing glamorous about it.
Dim di gael Rambo 3 na ddo.
Save yourself. Go on living and don't give up on people. Don't forget me.
Dwi'n cymryd y piss o pethau yma, ond dwi'n meddwl yn awesome hefyd o.
Snake, about Meryl.
Colonel, I'm sorry.
Listen to me.
I wasn't able to protect her.
Snake, she's a soldier. She knows that prisoners are a part of war. She joined up of her own free will. I'm sure she was prepared for this.
No, you're wrong. Meryl thought she had to become a soldier. Thought it was the only way. She said she thought it would bring her closer to her dead father.
She said that?
She wasn't ready for real combat. I shouldn't have pushed her so hard. It's all my fault.
That's not like you, Snake.
Master, what is it?
Sorry for eavesdropping, but I just couldn't listen anymore.
Master.
Snake, you can have regrets if you want to. It's only natural. But you can't keep attacking yourself for things that happened in the past. That road leads to madness. Believe me.
He's right. Don't kick yourself. It doesn't suit a legend like you. I'm sure Meryl's just fine.
Mei Ling.
Snake, forget about Meryl. Stop Liquid. That's what Meryl would want too.
You're right. Meryl would say the same thing.
Snake.
What?
Meryl. She's pretty special to you, huh?
Tair gwaith yn gofyn
Yes, she's special.
Tair gwaith.
There aren't many women like her around.
That's not what I meant.
She's the Colonel's niece and a combat buddy.
Is that all? Come on.
This is like a police interrogation.
No,
I guess it's in the genes.
Genes? What are you talking about, Colonel?
No, I just remembered about Naomi's grandfather. I think Naomi said he rose as high as assistant secretary in the FBI during Edgar Hoover's time.
Is that right?
Yes. Yes, he was Japanese, and he became a special undercover investigator to nab the mafia.
When was that?
Oh, sometime in the 50s, I guess.
Where?
New York, I think.
Naomi, I thought you didn't have any family.
Well, I researched it after I became an adopt. My grandfather was already dead by the time I learned about him. I never even had the chance to meet him.
Oh.
Snake, good luck.
Watch your back, Snake.
Oh, come on. Unfair, heel nog goed. Okay. Get myself ready.
What is it, Snake?
Can you please save this?
The Chinese say it is the strong swimmer who most often drowns. It is because the strong swimmer overestimates his abilities and underestimates the strength of the river. You are probably quite used to the mission now, but don't get careless.
Alleen careless, it's een kachgoen. Oh, en de coins is stressvol, doen. Ow, bullets. I'm not going to bullets. Oh my god. Ah, vi kunnen we niet doen. Oh, kanel, så det. Shit. sitting in the middle of een dark game. Dwi'n cofio faint o'n i cysau hwnna. Jo, ffwcio chdi fydd yma wedyn di.
What is it, Snake?
Save, please.
There's a Chinese proverb, the mind cannot be in two places at once. Make sure that you're not thinking of something else during the mission, okay?
Diolch Craig, oedd hwnna'n Fuck hwnna'n crap yndi. Dwi'n sy'n meddwl heb y trusted body armor. Well, I'm convenient. I'm convenient. Wow. Bloody hell.
Damn.
Damn!
Snake! I'm afraid I can't let you get past here.
Liquid.
You're not going any farther.
Father.
Die!
Lucas, is she pick up in the half and gwylod?
It's a long way down. If only I had a rope.
Kunnen we erop?
I should be able to use that rope I got.
Yeah!
What are you going to do? Take on a hind with your bare hands? Now you're mine!
If I stay here, I'm finished.
Ha ha ha!
how to repel. Press the X button to jump away from the wall. While you're away from the wall, press down on the directional button to drop down.
Thanks, Colonel.
If you jump while pressing right or left on the directional button, you can make a big jump in that direction. If you press and hold the circle button while using the directional button, you can walk slowly across the wall. If you're careful with the timing, you should be able to dodge the gunfire from behind while you rappel down. If anyone can do it, you can, Snake.
Bryr så om du vet ändå. Nej, så. My God. Oh, but I'm sure
What's wrong? Snake! Snake!
Okay, Timothy, you sure? With your gas! Work, my good. Well, it's a repelio. Savio.
What is it, Snake?
Save.
Gather ye rosebuds while ye may. Old time is still a-flying, and this same flower that smiles today, tomorrow will be dying. Snake laughter is the best medicine. You should be happy you've got enough free time to play a game. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Åh, aspetta! Spiata! Kom igen. Gives you health on top of that. Okay. Ska jag använda resten specifikt på M10? Als je fuck crasht, dan zullen we winnen, hè? Bit my game is full on, isn't it?
Damn. Don't shoot! It's me, don't shoot!
Just stir her gewoon weer. Stir her.
How'd you get here?
Stealth
It
camo
wasn't as
weer.
dramatic as your entrance, believe me. I'm afraid of heights.
You were watching?
Yeah, I was watching.
Perfect.
I was riding in the back of their truck. Thanks to the stealth camouflage.
How did you get up here?
The elevator, of course.
The first floor of the circular staircase was destroyed.
That's why I took the elevator.
The elevator was working?
Yeah, that's right. You're incredible. Like a movie hero or something.
Or something.
No, you're wrong. In the movies, the hero always saves the girl.
You mean Meryl? Sorry. Forget I said anything. Snake, there's something I've really got to ask you. It's why I followed you up this far. Have you ever loved someone?
That's what you came to ask?
No, I mean, I was wondering if even soldiers fall in love.
What are you trying to say?
I want to ask you, do you think love can bloom even on a battlefield?
Yes,
Yeah,
that's the line.
I do.
That's the line.
I think at any time, any place, people can fall in love with each other. But
people fall in love.
If you love someone, you have to be able to protect them.
I think so too.
I have a favor to ask.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, it'll be easy.
I told you before I don't want to hurt anyone.
I
Love
don't
me,
want you to
Otacon.
either.
Love me.
Okay.
The elevator is stopped down there. I want you to get it to move. You see?
That's weird.
It was working before, but now it isn't.
Maybe the panel's broken.
Can you fix it?
It was working before. If it's the mechanism, leave it to me.
I've got to go and swat a noisy fly.
Okay, I'll stay here and hold the fort. Good luck.
You really look like hell. Are you okay?
Don't worry. If I do this, it doesn't matter. I just pretend like I'm not here, and then I'm not scared.
Strange logic.
EV.
I'm counting on you.
Tror jag nöjd man. Ah ja. Så med. Well na pan cyn un. Okay, det är mer gøylig där ja. Permanent cold medicine. Blir hon nöjd?
So, the snake's finally come out of his home. Are you ready now, my brother?
Why are you
calling me brother? Who the hell are you? I'm you. I'm your shadow. What? Ask the father that you killed. I'll send you to hell to meet him.
Oh, het is serieus. Het is niet serieus. Ja, ik ben gewoon een reet te werden. Oeh, shit, nou. Geen zo'n ship, DMF. تقوى بدون اي دم تسترن دونا بدون رشن زمان نبي نبي ديسكولان نبي باص I'm stupid that tomorrow until man stuff ti angen that the rations yn respawnio gita dwi eisiau Stina
So the snakes
nah I'm sure no okay Så, no, ah. Is dit van Man kommer ju runt som man Du må cover henne det. Ich fahre henne. Ich fahre henne.
So, the snake's finally...
What's it? Look at them graphics. Yeah, guys, new streams. We are continuing with the epic battle behind the with the Tinker Daniel. Snake. Well, that's cool, isn't it? Made it cool.
Liquid. That takes care of the cremation.
Fucking badass. Badass.
Snake, the elevator's working.
Oh.
Fixed it?
No, that's the weird thing. It just moved by itself. It's headed your way now.
Is that so? Okay.
That explosion before, what was it?
Oh, I had to take out that helicopter.
I just had to take out the helicopter.
That's incredible, Snake.
Listen, I just want to make sure again. This is the way to get to where Metal Gear is being stored?
Yeah. The entrance to the underground maintenance base is towards the back of the snowfield ahead.
Okay. Find a safe place to hide out for a while. I'm going underground.
I know. You don't have to tell me.
And stay out of my way. Don't try to be a hero or anything.
And give me your stealth
Call me
now.
if you need to.
For fuck's sakes. Let's do a stealth do it.
What's up, Snake?
Save. Okay. Siarad efo'r gang tan dwi'n y top efo yma. Reception down the top yma this, so...
Don't forget to save your memories of me too.
Can't save memories even on that system of yours. Memories are fragile things. After you reduce them to binary numbers and send them through the air, they're not memories anymore.
I wouldn't be so sure of that. There's nothing my system can't do.
Memories aren't just sounds and pictures. They exist somewhere between the sounds, between the pictures.
I don't get it. Anything can be done digitally.
If that's true, why don't you go ahead and try to say what I'm thinking right now?
I can't save that type of thing. You have to put it into words at least.
That's right. And that's what memories are. Wordless.
I don't know about that.
No matter how far data technology advances, you'll never be able to penetrate the human heart.
You're wrong. It's just a matter of time.
Snake heb die kalkoren via porn.
And how do I do that?
You have to allow yourself to fall in love with someone.
Fuck the chats, seriously. Yo, Campbell, ska chdi fi?
You did it, Snake. You shot down the Hind.
I was so worried.
Liquid couldn't have survived that.
I wonder. But even so, just because we've taken out their leader doesn't mean they're gonna give up. They're still gonna try to launch that nuke.
You're right. There's no time to waste. Hurry. The underground base is past the communications tower. The elevator's working again, isn't it?
Master. So eto. Master ddim yn gweithio.
My God! You actually shot down that hind. Well, after all, that hind shot down 2 F-16s. It is hard to believe that after doing that, it got taken out by just one man. Nice going, Snake.
Pob yn ffilio Snake yndi. Gwrs bydd fanna. Pro strats moves hwnna. Maybe feeling bydde angen hynny. Fi just feeling bach bydde angen What? What?
Snake, there's something I forgot to tell you before.
What?
There were 5 stealth camouflage prototypes in my lab.
Yeah, so?
If you take out the one I'm wearing, that leaves 4.
Hey, this isn't first grade math class.
I thought I'd get one for you. So I went back to the lab and...
Yeah?
The 4 suits were missing. Also, about the elevator that I checked out, it's really strange. It was like someone was intentionally holding it.
When you were riding on it, did the weight limit warning go off?
That's another thing that bothered me about it. The warning went off, and I know I couldn't be over the limit.
How much do you weigh?
About 135.
Sut the Octagon bydd nuclear a robotic engineer
It would take at
yma.
least 5 people to go over that limit.
Look out, Snake! The guys who stole my stealth prototypes are in there with you!
Too late, Snake! Now die!
maar heen cymryd mwy o shots na arferol. Famas. Rations weer al.
What is it, Snake?
Save. Can you please save my progress?
Snake, in China they say, when walking through a melon patch, don't adjust your sandals. That means that when things get really bad, you have to try to remember what's important. Keep things in the proper perspective, okay?
De gewormeling. Rhyfedd fod Master Miller ddim yn ateb ni dde. Rhyfedd dros ben.
Snake, there's something I forgot to...
Yeah, ddim yn ganddo chdi. Oh my god, no!
Too late, Snake! Now die!
So be? Immer gerne mor shit. Bunkin diwedd. Plain sailing, man. By the way, os chi'n gofyn cwyno lot am y gem, just fel ydw i. Dwi'n actually lyfio'r gem o go iawn. I pwy bynnag sy'n y chat sydd ddyle fi approachio'r ffeit yma wan. Ydw i'n mynd i approachio'r ffeit yma fatha mae'r gem eisiau fi chwarae fo, so dwi'n mynd i approachio'r ffeit yma y ffordd mae pob yn neud. Basically, am I gonna cheese it neu chwarae'n onest. Os ma'n rhoi lot o PSG1 ammo I fi. So, rhaid i'r chat dewis os dwi'n onest neu os dwi'n ddim yn onest. Cheese it, dech chi fawr. Illusion of choice o'n i reid o'na. O'n i'n planio neud o'n iawn. Cos dyna ma deg, o'n i'n gwybod yn hynna.
Snake, are you okay?
Otacon, were there any other stealth prototypes?
Aye.
No, there were only 5.
So, this isn't stealth camouflage then.
What are you talking about?
Someone's aiming at me in the middle of this blizzard.
It's her!
Wolf? Sniper Wolf?
Yes, it's her. It's definitely her.
Otacon, you sound like you're happy.
No, I'm not.
So then what is it?
Snake, please don't kill her.
Are you insane?
Please. She's a good person. You'd know that if you talked to her.
Listen to me, kid.
It's
She's a merciless killer.
I can see you perfectly from here. I told you, I'd never quit the hunt. Now you're mine.
Wolf, no, you can't.
Don't get between a wolf and its prey.
You're pretty good if you can hit me in this storm.
You see, women naturally make better soldiers.
Wolf, don't do this.
Snake, I'm near. Can't you sense me near you?
It's a mistake for a sniper to reveal her location.
Is that right? Well, I'm going to send you a love
Snake,
letter,
ti'n gwachod enemy the gate, atho fi.
Do you know what that is?
Gwybod sydd i sniper.
It's a bullet straight from my gun to your heart.
Please, Wolf! Snake, no!
Quiet! Don't get in our way.
So sniper
Now I'm gonna pay you back for Meryl.
You men are so weak. You could never finish what you start.
Da 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 da. Sy'n sniper mor dda hynna sydd ddim yn gweld fatha fucking missile ma. Dwi yn cyfadda am hyn yn teimlo oedd y cheatio, ond... Oh my god! Stalking my prey! This feels so wrong, yet so right. You can't shoot what you can't see, Sniper Wolf. Thank you. Thank you. You stupid.
Waited for this moment.
I am a
sniper. Waiting is my job. Never moving a muscle. Concentrating. I am long shot. You cannot save me. Please.
It's a lladd chdi, wysi.
Just finish me quick. I am a Kurd. I have always dreamed of a peaceful place like this.
A Kurd?
Northern Iraq,
that's why you're called Wolf.
I was born on the battlefield.
Yeah.
Raised
She's
on
made of sterner stuff.
Gunfire, sirens, and screams. They were my lullabies. Hunted like dogs, day after day. Driven from our ragged shelters.
Wel, i'r shins yn action city ni gitas yna.
Was my life.
Jo, na hamro shins i ni, ma chest is
Each
way
morning
fucked up.
I'd wake up and find a few more of my family or friends dead beside me. I'd stare at the morning sun and pray to make it through the day. The governments of the world turned a blind eye to our misery. But then, he appeared. My hero. Saladin. He took me away from all that.
Saladin? You mean Big Boss?
I became a sniper. Hidden. Watching everything through a rifle's scope. Now I could see war. Not from inside, but from the outside. As an observer, I watched the brutality, the stupidity of mankind through the scope of my rifle. I joined this group of revolutionaries to take my revenge on the world. But
Revenge never the answer.
I have shamed myself.
Os ydych chi'n dysgu rhywbeth o stream a hynna, revenge is never the answer.
The wolf I was born to be. In the name of vengeance, I sold my body and my soul. Now I am nothing more than a dog.
Wolves are noble animals. They're not like dogs.
Ooh.
In Yupik, the word for wolf is Keglenek, and the Aleuts revere them as honorable cousins. They call mercenaries like us dogs of war. It's true. We're all for sale at some price or another. But you're different. Untamed. Solitary. You're no dog. You're a wolf.
Who are you? Are you Saladin?
Wolf. You spared Meryl's life.
She was never my real target. I don't kill for sport.
Rest easy. You'll die as the proud wolf you are.
I finally understand. I wasn't waiting to kill people. I was waiting for someone to kill me. A man like you. You're a hero. Please, set me free.
Why? Why? I loved you.
What is it?
My gun. Give it to me. She's part of me.
Tynna'r bullets allan ac oedd yna fucking double costing.
Everyone's here now. Oh, okay, hero. Set me free.
Goodbye. Snake, you said that love could bloom on the battlefield. But I couldn't save her. What are you doing?
Returning it to its owner. I don't need a handkerchief.
Why?
I don't have any more tears to shed. I'm going to the underground base. We're out of time.
I know.
You'll have to protect yourself now. Don't trust anyone.
Yeah.
If I can't stop Metal Gear, this whole place will probably be bombed to hell.
Yeah.
We might not meet again.
I'll hang on to my codec. I want to keep helping.
You can leave anytime. Get a head start. A head start on your new life.
Snake! What was she fighting for? What am I fighting for? What are you fighting for?
If we make it through this, I'll tell you.
Just mind if you allan.
Okay. I'll be searching too.
all joking aside, look at me. All video games in meneer hyn. Cyn hyn. All yn ddim. I wedi console games. Ja, dwi'n i searcho. Haha! Wow. I'm sure bydd hwnna'n gan. So bydd y stream dod i ben am chydig, dwi'n meddwl, dwi'n sy'n di hel fama. So allai fynd nôl i'r cychwyn y gêm trwy hwn. Os gen i ddim...
In China, they say, it's better to live ugly than to die beautiful. I think it's true. Once you're dead, you'll never have another chance to be happy. I can't understand people who want to die before their time.
Not the time,
Please,
Elaine.
Nick, promise me that you'll come back alive.
Not the time. Yeah. Right response, hwnna. Wel, so diwedd y stream, o ddwy awr arall, getting there, getting it done, da ni'n mynd o'r Metal Gear. Diolch i pob oedd yn siarad yn y stream, diolch i Craig. So, yeah, getting there. Da ni'n di lladd Sniper Wolf. Gwyn ni'n Raven ar ôl, bydd hanes fo. Da ni wedi cael y brawn ni, ydyn ni. Ond, diolch am gwylio. So, so, dwi ffansi nocio'r bit ola mewn un stream hir, neu sy'n mwyd dwi'n, ond, since this tool, a rheswm allan cael ymlaen o'n di, cos dwi'n 100% siwr sydd wedi swap y discs yn retrac, so fydda i wedi dysgu nebyn y stream nesa, a dechrwch, esgus da i fi cael chwarae outro thing fi, efo logo newydd fi, so hwyl am y to, ta.